Here's a good year, 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Two-door sport coupe, of course. This particular car, originally forest green, so still very similar to the way this would have came originally from Chevrolet back in 1970. Interior, green vinyl buckets, so 48 paint code, 784 trim. Van Nuys, California built car. Has had a nice repaint. Does show well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front. Bumper, headlight surrounds, grille. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the undersides, interior, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. You can always call us 507-386-1726. 350 V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock intake, Holley carb, Hooker headers. As you can see, American Racing polished wheels. And we'll pop the hood here at the end of this video, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the engine bay. There's your green bucket, center console. Of course, you have the two seat belts because you also have your shoulder restraint that is going to be up and above, as you can see there. Also, headliner in good shape. Again, originally green on green car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see those Hooker's headers arriving at a dual exhaust out the rear. Believed to be original miles on this car is in the 80-some thousand range. Unfortunately, once a car becomes a certain age, the miles do not stay on the title with it anymore. Still pictures, once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And as you can see, the reflection from the paint, again, paint does show well. And you can see how straight this car is, those long panels. Poor bodywork's going to show up in a hurry. All right, let's go ahead and take a peek at the interior of this car. As you can see, door panels, condition. Carpeting and seats, also in nice condition. You go ahead and take a look at the wear on the vinyl. Rear seat. And again, you'll be able to check out all of the car in the still pictures, top to bottom, inside and out. All right, gas gauge does work. Started up a little while ago. Kind of check that out. It appears that that is fine. Also, windshield wipers are working. Let this warm up a tad. Little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. Pioneer aftermarket stereo. I did have that working also. Blower fan worked as well.
Farm has big deals.
The radio does work. Let this warm up a little bit. Also notice the clock even working. Take a look at the dash. It looks like it's in nice shape. Slip around to the rear seat here. Let's run. And we'll check out underneath the hood. Again, 350. That is paired up with a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic trans. All right, let's flip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Pop the hood. Let you check out this engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Looks like a newer master cylinder. Hooker headers. Again, Edelbrock intake, Holley carb. Looks like a newer alternator over here. Nice, tidy, clean engine bay. If you wanted to get in and go to any local roll-in, cruise-ins, local shows, have a little fun. Want to get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank? Here you go. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the descriptions and take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.